Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zaid bin Cik Suid. I am 163 centimeters tall and 80 kilogram in weight. For the past 11 years, I am a government servant.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Mazura binti Abdul Manaf. I am 39 years old. My weight is about 60 kg. I work at Jabatan Kebajikan Masyarakat.
A balanced diet is a diet that contains different kind of foods in certain quantities and proportions, so that the requirement of calories, protein, minerals, vitamin, and alternative nutrients is adequate, and a small provision is reserved for additional nutrients to endure the short length of leanness.
Okay, balanced diets means eat carbohydrate, protein and vitamin with the right portion to maintain your healthy body weight and also to reduce the risk of disease.
As for me, I will try to maintain my balanced diet by consuming the food within the five food groups that we have daily.
Maintain my balanced diet, I drink a lot of plain water. I eat less carbohydrate and fat food. I eat more vegetable and fruit. Get enough sleep and have exercise at least 2 times a week.